Good morning, everyone. I hope you are all well at your home. So, today we are going to start our topic number one, the sentence. So, this is our first topic. We are going to start from English 1, the sentence. So, first of all, we should know what is sentence. Okay. So, in our daily life, so many sentences we used to talk, we used to say, we are using. Okay. So we will see what is sentence. So sentence is group of words. What is it? It is a group of words that is having a complete thought. Okay. It is simply not a group of words, but it can be a complete thought. Second thing, subject and a verb combination. Subject and verb should also be there. And thirdly, meaning should also be there. It can be statement, it can be question, it can be command, and it can be exclamation also. Okay. So we'll see one by one. First of all, complete thought. We'll see what kind of thought we are talking about. So, complete thought. Suppose in first, blue sky is the. It is a sentence. It is also a group of words, but it is not a sentence. The blue sky is the. It is not having a complete thought or a complete sense. That's why it is not the sentence. In second sentence, if we have arranged it in a order, the sky is blue. Now it is having a complete sense. So we can see the sky is blue. It is showing us the color of the sky. So clear? First thing, the sentence is a group of words that should have a complete thought or a complete sense. Secondly, subject and a verb combination. So group of words should have the subject and a verb combination. Suppose you put the verb book here. Okay. So you is the subject and put is a verb. So both the things are used. So that's why it is a subject and a verb combination. Okay. Third thing. Thirdly, I have explained to you that four kinds of meaning can be there. It can be declarative. Declarative means statement type, means the girl is beautiful. The girl is beautiful. That is the declarative. Interrogative means if you are asking about the question, that is interrogative. Third one, imperative. Command means you can give command, you can give order, you can request, you can help someone. Just these kinds of things are included in imperative kind. And last one is exclamative. Exclamative means when you are shocked, when you are happy, when you are in sorrow. All these things can be explained in the exclamative type of sentence. Clear? So we'll see one by one all the four types of sentence. So first of all, statement or a declarative sentence is also called the statement kind of sentence. In this we can make statement and end with the period. With the end of the time it will be over. We own a cat. It is having a complete sense. It is giving us a information or a fact. Okay. Second question, where is the cat? So question interrogative means the question form sentences. In it is ask questions. It can be asked questions, and with the question mark we all know that it can be ended with the question mark. Exclamation means exclamatory sentence in is a kind of sentence in which you are showing your emotion and someone is showing you his emotion. And with the exclamation sign means to say sign of exclamation is used at the last like this. And the last one, commands or imperative, give commands, make a request, and ends with the period or exclamation means to say it can be ended with the full stop as well as sign of exclamation. Here in the declarative only only the full stop should be used. Here in interrogative, question mark should be used. In exclamation, sign of exclamation can be used. And here both things can be used, sign of exclamation as well as the full stop. So one by one we'll see. So first of all, declarative sentence, it always tells us about the information. Suppose examples, a dog is man's best friend. Okay, this is the example. So this is the fact that is telling about the information. So this is the declarative kind. Second one, the sandwich is very tasty. So we can see that the sandwich is very tasty. This is also the information. She is a beautiful girl. So this thing gives us this sentence gives us the information about the beauty of the girl. Clear? So declarative, this kind of sentences are there. Now the second one, exclamatory kind of sentence. It expresses strong emotions or feelings. Means if you are angry, if you are happy, you are in a sorrow, all the feelings can be expressed with the help of exclamatory kind of sentence. Okay, if you're shocked even, okay, that is a huge fish. So you're shocked when you have seen that fish. Okay, so sign of exclamation can be there. What a beautiful day. You are happy with the beautiful day. So after that, he's such a nice boy. Okay, you are happy or you are expressing your feeling here. So that's why this is a exclamatory kind of sentence, and always put a sign of exclamation at the last of this kind of sentence. So the next one, third one is imperative kind of sentence. It gives command, it always gives command or ask for request. Means to say you can order someone, you can request someone, all the things should be included in imperative kind of sentence. So put the key in the drawer. Okay, this can be the order. So here we have used question we have used what kind of punctuation sign? This is the full stop. Okay, and in second sentence, wait for me. So this is a sign of exclamation can also be used. Next, request here kyunki please is used. Please leave your footwear outside. Okay, so please is used, so it is a request. So we have, so in imperative kind of sentence we used to give commands or request, and at the end we have to put full stop or sign of exclamation. Now the last one, interrogative kind of sentence, in which we have to use which, where, who, what, how. These all these WH or H words can be used in the interrogative kind of sentence. So who are you? Question mark. Where is my book? This is also the question, so you have to put question mark. How are you? Or you can use the helping verb also. Means to say will is a helping verb. Is, will, you can start the sentence with the will, is, am, has, have also. Okay, so this is the interrogative kind of sentence in which you have to ask the question. You can ask the question. So these are the type of sentences, all the types, and what is sentence I have cleared to you. If you will have any doubt, we will clear all the doubts in our Zoom class. So thank you so much.